happy Thursday. Excited to hopefully see most of you today for our Google Hangout, which is at 10. In order to join that, just click on your calendar, join Google Hang, and all of our faces should pop up. I also posted on Google Classroom an extension that you can add to Google Chrome so that when you're in our Google Hangout or any other Google Hangout, you can see everyone's faces in a grid, which makes a huge difference. Okay, so today is Thursday. We're not introducing any new content, but we are going to continue practicing this measurement of angles, which is not easy stuff by any means. So we're going to be practicing in a few different ways. I'll take you through a little tour on that. So stay tuned and let's take a look. And I've posted this already on Google Classroom. I haven't done it during my recording because I need to add our little video here. But this front page should look very familiar. The only thing that is different is now we're on Thursday. And today we're going to be practicing in GeoGebra and Google Slides how to use our protractor. Little announcement is that you are going to be invited to do the Noetic Math Contest online. Your parents will receive an invite from the district with all the details on that, so that should be fun. Today you're going to be continuing to be awesome and practicing with measuring angles. So today looks a little different. We don't have any blue slides and our only action slide. We just have one pink slide here, but it does have 3 parts. So the first part of your work today, your practice work, is going to be going into this first link. So it says practice using a 360-degree protractor in GeoGebra. Don't forget to read the directions. When you are finished, record your score in the box below. So when I'm checking these out, I'm looking for you to have recorded your score in this box. You are going to be turning in this slideshow. So I have this linked here, so you will go over to GeoGebra and you will see this cool, oh, is this 180? 360? That's weird. You will see this cool, let me change this real quick, this cool assignment that's going to allow you to practice. Hi, Cal. Please make sure you read the instructions before you begin. These instructions are really, really important. So read these instructions and then get to it. Once you're finished with that, like I mentioned, you have to record your score here in this box. Next item of business, I've already posted this. You're going to complete the Measuring Angles version 2 assignment that I pushed out in Google Classroom. This assignment looks very similar to the assignment that you worked on today, but this assignment is going to require that you rotate your protractor. The way that you rotate your protractor is, do you see this little blue dot up here? There we go. And please know that when you're making these measurements or taking these measurements, you must line up this dot in your protractor with the dot that you find at where the 2 lines meet at that vertex. So I'll kind of show you what that looks like. This one's going to be much more tricky, so please be patient with yourself. So it's going to take some time to line up those dots, but it's totally possible. I'm almost there. You can see that my dots are just about matched up, but now I need to line up this bottom line with the bottom line of my angle. And my nose is basically touching the computer screen right now. So you're going to have to, Gigi, shh. You're going to have to rotate this around until your 2 lines are lined up. And you'll notice that this angle first, and you really need to use your logic here, is this angle smaller than 90 degrees or larger than 90 degrees? Well, that angle's smaller than 90 degrees. So when you're looking at your measurements, when you're looking at your lines on, I'm sorry, is it so cool, George? Yeah. When you're looking at your... Georgie thinks this is so cool, you guys. Is it so cool, baby? It's really cool. When you're looking at your, it's really awesome, Georgie, I know. When you're looking at your numbers, make sure if the angle is smaller than 90 degrees, you're not using these giant numbers on the bottom. You're going to be using the numbers here on the top, which signify an angle that is smaller than 90 degrees. So please keep in touch with your logic. Consider before you even take a measurement whether or not the angle is larger than 90 degrees or smaller. I will continue to give you, that was already like that for me. I will continue to give you feedback on those assignments. And then your final responsibility for today is going to be doing some more protractor practice. And that is also on GeoGebra. And here you're going to click the link like I just showed you, but you're going to keep working on this until you get 10 correct. When you are finished, meaning when you have 10 correct, you're going to type nailed it in this box. So this one is going to be more fun. Protractor practice. Measuring angles is not easy. That's why it requires a lot of work. So you're going to have a great day of practice. I am here as you have questions, and I'm here to go back and forth with feedback. Have fun. Let me know how I can help you in any way. Otherwise, I'll see you all at 10.